In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Discord GIFs on mobile. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or the App Store if you're on an iOS device, and go to the search bar. And we're going to be using an application called Jiffy right over here. So it is free to install, and here it is. So make sure to go ahead and install this, and this is going to allow us to make GIFs, which we could then use on Discord on our mobile device. So select on open just like so. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this plus button on the bottom left right over here. And then what you can do is you can open up your gallery and actually upload an image and then make a GIF out of it. So let's say we wanted to make a GIF out of this photo, for example. That's something you could do. Or if you guys have like a short video as well, that's also going to get the job done. So from here, you can go ahead and add text, for example. You can add stickers, shapes, etc. So there really is a lot of great stuff. So let's just go ahead and put like a coffee mug over here to just really add more character to this image. So again, you could add whatever you want. So yep, as you're able to tell, it is of the New York subway with a coffee that says good morning. It's pretty fitting if you do ask me. Then you want to press on this arrow button right over here. And then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to select on save GIF just like so. And then it is going to say GIF in progress. And then make sure to go ahead and select on save GIF one more time. And then once it says GIF saved to device, you're good to go and go back to Discord. Alright guys, so here we are in our DM. So obviously you can do this on a server as well, as long as the server does give you permission to upload GIFs and stuff like that. But you want to press on the plus button, and then you're going to be able to find your GIF right over here. So yep, here is our GIF of a coffee and New York City right over here. So bam, there it is in all of its glory. And what you could even do in order to save it and make it easier to access is click on it. Then press on the star button right over here, and that is going to add it to your favorites. So now you can go ahead and easily have access to it. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.